Add both videos to timeline, then create adjustment layer. Right click on it. Speed duration should be 8 frames. If you want, you can increase the duration of adjustment layer to 10, 12, 14 frames as you want. Drag and drop your adjustment layer, go to effects, search for levels, drag and drop, place playhead at center of video and add a keyframe at white input level and edit value to 0. Come to beginning of adjustment layer, click on reset icon, come to end of layer, again click on reset icon. For more whites, add keyframe just after middle keyframe and edit value to 0. There you go. Enjoy.